Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1999, Walt Disney's Carolwood Barn opened at Griffith Park in Los Angeles. The barn served as Walt's workshop at his home on Carolwood Drive. He spent many hours there working on his 1/8 scale miniature railroad, the Carolwood Pacific, and dreaming up new projects. The barn was saved by Walt's daughter, Diane Disney Miller, and the Carolwood Society after the house was sold. It was moved to Griffith Park, where it is open to the public. Hard to believe it's been open now 25 years. That's pretty cool. Have you been there? I think I'd like to go. Anyway, have a magical day.